Today we are making meatballs in zucchini boats, the perfect collaboration of meat and veggies. You obviously need zucchinis. Mine were pretty small, so I used 5 here. 500 gram minced meat of your choice, about 20 gram breadcrumbs, 2 onions, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, cheese, some vegetable oil, some salt, black pepper and cumin. After washing your zucchinis, cut off the stem and cut it in half. Use a spoon to remove the core of it. Don't throw it away though. You can still eat it, and I actually used mine for a veggie wrap. Now it is time for the meatballs. Take the minced meat, add the chopped onions, add breadcrumbs, some salt, black pepper and cumin to it, and knead it thoroughly. When you can form some decent meatballs, roll them to the size that they can fit into the zucchini boats. As my zucchinis were pretty small, some meatballs turned out smaller than I originally wanted. Now we prepare the tomato sauce. Add a little vegetable oil, some warm water and seasoning. Stir until the tomato paste dissolves. Add a bit more warm water if the sauce is too thick. Pour the sauce onto the meatballs. Now do not make the same mistake as I did and put the grated cheese onto the meatballs directly. First let the zucchinis bake for a bit, and when it gets close to being done, I mean the meatballs aren't raw anymore, add the cheese and let it melt on this yummy treat. My cheese got quite the crispy treatment here. It still tasted good, but I wanted it melted and not crispy. Of course, you don't need to put cheese on this at all. The choice is yours. Enjoy! All the information for this recipe is in the description below, along with different types of measurements and other information. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe.